Hey guys, so real quick, I just wanted to make this video to kind of show you how to find your affiliate links for promoting the courses in the Girl Bosses Rock Academy. So this is actually the second video that I've created. So if you saw the previous one, this one's going to explain it a little bit better. What happens, so when you log into your Teachable account, it should kind of look like this. If there's any other courses from my academy, Girl Bosses Rock, or if you've enrolled in any other courses that are on a Teachable platform, they'll kind of show up right here. As an affiliate, you will also have this additional button right here. So what happens is once you're logged into here, if you try to go to the sales page of any of the courses, it's going to show up as though if you've already enrolled in it, it'll show up with, the start course. It won't give you the actual URL for someone else to enroll. So what you'll do is click on affiliate and a new dashboard will come up. And so if you look in the affiliate course where, when you sign up to be an affiliate, it kind of looks like a course. I've actually uploaded the URLs for, oops, wrong one, all of my current courses. Go to about right here. So this is the free one, Profitable Pinner, the upgrade for Profitable Pinner, the bundle course, and then of course the affiliate program. So you can actually promote each one of these individually. And so there's a couple of ways that you can do it. So copy and paste all of these original URLs somewhere that you can have them handy and easily accessible. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to come over here. And you're going to come right down here to the link generator and paste it. And so you see the full URL right there. When I hit generate, it adds this basically from the question mark to there. So two things. You can either copy this little piece of code here, starting with the question mark, and paste it somewhere. Because basically all you're going to do is add that to the end of each one of these, and that makes it trackable to your affiliate account. Or if you're not comfortable doing that, you're afraid you might mess it up, just simply go in and do each one of these individually and then copy the entire thing. And the reason I say copy these somewhere and save them is so that you don't have to keep logging back into your Teachable account to grab it. So see, it's the same exact URL. They just add this little piece of code, which is your tracking link, to the end of it. So go into the course, into the affiliate course, and the very first lesson actually has each one of these already there in it, and you can just simply copy and paste them, put them on a notepad, put them on a Word document, somewhere that you can save it. And then when you're creating a blog post or you're creating Pinterest pins or whatever you're using to promote the course, that you share the entire URL with your affiliate tracking link and not just this. And so this is really important. We found this out. A few people had actually thought they were doing it right, and their affiliate link was what they thought was their affiliate link was out there either on a Pinterest pin or in a blog post, and turns out the tracking code was not on it. So if any sales or any people enrolled in the course from clicking on that, they would not have earned the referral bonus. And I really want to make sure anyone who sends traffic to my school is compensated with their commission rate. So, and this should actually be 50%. I don't know why it says that. So go in, if you've already started putting out links for the affiliate program, go in and change them. If you've done it on Pinterest, you can only change it on the pin that you uploaded first. So if someone's shared that pin anywhere, you won't be able to do anything about that. But just go in and make sure all of your pins have the correct code with the additional piece of code on it that identifies you as the referral source. If you have any questions, just send me a message. Let me know what I can do to help you, because I want you to be successful. So that's it. There are also some images uploaded into the affiliate course that you can use for Pinterest. Or on your blog or wherever you want to use them. I just want to make it as easy as possible for you to be able to refer students to the school. All right, thanks guys. Talk to you soon.